Want to know what Amazon ads you should run when you just launch a new product? Or how you can recover sales after going out of stock? Or what if you want your product to appear higher in organic search results? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what type of Amazon ads you need to set up to address 5 of the most common pain points with proven strategies that have worked for our many clients. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video to learn more about our free downloadable guide covering all of this and more. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about low-cost traffic. If you're working with a tight budget but need consistent orders, run ultra-low budget campaigns. These are great for discovering affordable traffic sources that still convert. Even a handful of daily orders can be enough to maintain profitability with minimal time investment. Look for long-tail keywords with lower competition. These often cost less, but still attract highly qualified buyers. And don't forget to test out sponsored display ads, which can offer low-cost impressions and retargeting opportunities. Let's now look at a challenge every seller faces: launching a new product when your order volume is low. Your goal should be to increase traffic and conversions. Here's how to do it. Use historical customer data to identify highly relevant search terms that match your product. If you don't have this right now, then consider the previous strategy as a starting point. Focus on increasing your click-through rate by making your ads as relevant as possible. Consider tweaking your product title, images, or even ad copy to match what customers are searching for. Your goal here isn't immediate profitability. It's to build a foundation of clicks and orders to optimize from. Once you have enough data, you can refine your approach, but the key is to get started and collect those clicks. Next, let's talk about recovering a product that's gone out of stock. When that happens, your ranking drops and you lose visibility. The fix? Leverage historical performance. Find high traffic search terms that worked well before the stock out and double down on them. Use those keywords to rebuild traffic and sales momentum. Your goal here is simple: restore your product's ranking and visibility through targeted campaigns. If your daily orders are all over the place, stability needs to be your first priority. Start by choosing highly relevant keywords with moderate traffic. These are often more affordable and reliable. Even if your profit margins aren't perfect right away, focus on consistent orders. Stability gives you a foundation to optimize for profitability later. Think about it like this: you're building a steady stream of traffic so that the Amazon algorithm can trust your product and rank it more reliably. Finally, let's talk about if you want your product to appear higher in organic search results. You need to boost the ranking of specific keywords, which you can achieve by focusing on increasing click-through rates for those targeted keywords. The more sales you generate through ads, the better their natural ranking becomes. Over time, this means more organic traffic and orders with less ad spend. Consider pairing this strategy with enhanced content like A+ or your product pages to keep potential customers engaged once they click through to your listing. Now you know about how to use Amazon ads to get out of some common traps sellers find themselves in, you're going to need to know about this. You can also head to our website through the link in the description, where you can download our free guide that covers the content of this video in more detail with additional bonus scenarios you'll want to know about. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.